If you're making minimum payments on your debt right now, I need you to stop what you're doing and watch this entire video. Because what feels like progress is actually a trap. And the banks are counting on you not knowing that. Here's what nobody tells you about debt. It's not about willpower, and it's not about sacrifice. Most people who are drowning in debt right now are working. And most of them are working 2 jobs. They are trying. They're trying, but they're still broke every single month. Why? Because they were never taught how debt actually works. Our school systems teach people reading, writing, math, geography. Nobody teaches what compound interest actually means. Quick example, you have $10,000 credit card debt at 24% APR. You make the minimum payment every month. You'll pay it off in 27 years. And you will pay over $18,000 in interest on a $10,000 balance. That's not a debt problem. That is a financial education problem. And that's exactly what we fix here. Let's start with the thing hurting you the most right now, the minimum payment. Credit card companies are brilliant. The minimum payment is designed to keep you paying forever. They calculate it to be just high enough that you keep feeling like you're making progress, and low enough that you barely touch the actual balance. So every month that you pay the minimum, you are mostly paying interest. The bank's profit, not your freedom. Think about it this way. Poor people and middle class people, we feel like everything is expensive because we pay for everything with money that we've already exchanged our time for. You trade 40 hours a week for a paycheck, and then that paycheck goes straight to interest. And that means you spend 40 hours working to make the bank richer. That ends today, right now. Pause the video if you need to. Write down every debt that you have. Credit cards, car loans, student loans, everyone. Write it all down. The balance, the interest, the minimum payment. That's your enemy, and you can't defeat what you can't see. And now here's where it gets interesting, because there are 2 methods that financial experts argue about constantly. So let me break them down in a way that actually makes sense. The first one, the debt snowball. You pay off the smallest debt first, regardless of the interest rate. Why? Because psychology matters. When you eliminate the first small balance, you feel a win. That feeling keeps you going. And most people don't fail to get out of debt because of math. They fail because they lose motivation. Second method, the debt avalanche. You pay off the highest interest first. Mathematically, this saves you the most money. If you have a credit card at 24% APR and a car loan at 6%, you attack the 24% first. So which one should you use? The one that you will actually stick to. If you need early wins to stay motivated, Snowball. If you're disciplined and want to save the most money, Avalanche. But here's what both methods require. You have to stop adding to the debt while you're paying it off. Seems obvious, but do you know how many people are trying to get themselves out of a hole while throwing dirt back in? They're paying $500 on a card and putting $400 back on it every month. You cannot outpay bad habits. Go. If this is clicking for you, I put together a free debt elimination blueprint. It walks you through this exact process step by step. It's not a course, it's not a pitch, just a simple plan you can start today. And it's completely free. Link is in the description. Go ahead and grab it after this video, of course. Now, let's talk about the actual system. I call this the metabolic method because metabolism is about how fast your body converts energy. This is about how fast you convert debt into freedom. Step 1, stop the bleeding. Before you pay $1 extra, you need to know exactly where your money is going. Not a mental budget, by a written number. Every dollar in, every dollar out. Because most people that think they don't have any money are spending $200 to $400 every month on things they barely notice. Subscriptions, food delivery, impulse buys. Debt money, that's your ammunition. Step 2, build your emergency fund first. I know you want to attack this debt right now, but here's the problem. If you have no cushion and something breaks, it goes right back on the card. So that $1,000, that's your firewall. It protects your progress. Attack one debt at a time with everything you got. All that found money from step 1 goes directly to attack that first target debt. Every extra dollar. Pay the minimum on everything else and burn that first one down to zero. Step 4, roll everything into the next debt. When that first balance gets to zero, take everything you were paying on it and aim it at your next target. You will notice that your payments keeps getting bigger, like a snowball picking up speed downhill. Step 5, as your income grows, and we're going to talk about that, increase the attack. Do not lifestyle inflate. Stay on the mission. This isn't complicated, but it's deliberate and it works. Here's the truth that most personal finance bros won't tell you. For some of you, cutting expenses alone will not be enough. If your income is $2,800 a month and your debt payments plus your rent plus your groceries equals $2,600 a month, you don't have a spending problem. You have an income problem. The wealthy people I've studied understand something most people don't. They don't just cut costs to build wealth. They build income that isn't directly tied to trading their time. They pay for things according to their creativity, not just their labor. And no, I'm not telling you to quit your job tomorrow, but I am telling you this. Getting debt-free is the foundation. It's the starting line, not the finish line. Learn from their Rolls Royce owner that went from broke to millions to broke again, but set it up differently so that never happens again. Build the foundation first, the education, the right habits, then the wealth. And that's what this entire channel is built around. And so here's what to do right now. 1, write down every debt, balance, interest rate, and minimum payment so you can see the full picture. 2, find $200 to $500 in monthly spending you didn't know was leaking out. Cancel something. Just cut one habit this week. Find the leaks. 3, pick the method, Snowball, Avalanche, and start with your next paycheck. Not next month, not next year, the next paycheck. 4, grab my free debt elimination blueprint in the description. Worksheets, the full system, step by step. 5, join the free Metabolic Millionaire community. Thousands of people are on the same mission, sharing wins, staying accountable, and building wealth. The banks have been winning this game for decades because nobody taught you the rules. And now you have them. The debt-free journey starts today. I'll see you in the community.